we are asked to evaluate this. Okay, let's see. As you can see in this place, we need to evaluate this. Limit as s is tending towards infinity. What do you think that this will result to at the end of the day when you arrive at infinity? And you agree with me, infinity is not something you arrive at. Okay, it's not something you can arrive at. Infinity is infinity. So what we should do now to have 0, I'm looking for how to make this 0, because that will assist me. How do I make this 0? What I should do is this, is to divide whatever at the numerator by infinity. It's going to give me 0. Why? Because if I have 1 divided by 10, for instance, you agree with me, is equal to 0.1. By this, 0.01. By this, 0.001. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's increase this. Assume we are going towards infinity. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The more you put more zeros, the more you put 0 here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And if you approximate this now, what are you doing? It's going towards 0. Means therefore, whenever you divide any value by infinity, it's going to be 0, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I will make sure that I find a way whereby s will be at the denominator, so that when I replace s with infinity, that particular term will be 0. So that's what I will do here now. To do that, I will bring out this guy because they are the same. I will say this raised to the power 3. This divided by this will give me 3. This divided by this will give me 2 over s, because as you can see, only this one will be divided by this, then it will remain x. If I divide this now, I'm going to have 1 over s squared. Okay, let me do it where. Then for this last one is 1 over s raised to the power 3. Okay, all over. I will do the same thing here. This divided by this is 1. This is 2 over s squared plus 5 over s raised to the power 3. This and this will cancel, okay? With this now, what I have remaining is this over this, this over this. So 1 plus this over this plus this over this. Okay? Now that I've done this like this, the next thing now is to apply this on each of them. That is to say, equal to this tending towards infinity for 3, 2, limit this. Remember, this now is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over x. Okay? I brought out the 2. I will apply this on the 1 over x. Okay? So therefore, you agree with me, I'm going to have 1 over x plus, I bring out 1, which is this the same thing, 1 over s raised to the power 2 plus, I bring out this 1 over s raised to the power 3. Okay? All over. We apply the same thing here. Okay? Look at this. Do you understand everything? We are simply apply this on each of them. On each of them. Just like that. Please remember there's 1 here. 1 over. Okay, now, if we apply the limit here, you agree with me that this will still remain 3 because it was not affected. This will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 0. All over. This will still remain the same. This will be 0. This will be 0. It means, therefore, we're going to have 3 over 1, which is 3 at the end of the day. Okay, so this is the answer for this. Okay, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask.